Water. Some people love it and others can't wait to get away from it as far as possible. Human body is made out of 60% of water. We need it to survive, and yet some of us are afraid of it. Today we're going to talk about how to get over the fear of water. My name is Angelica and you're watching Passion for DIY, a channel where I show you how to make your own mermaid tails and talk about mermaid related things. I love water and swimming is one of my favorite things to do, especially if I can look like a mythical creature doing it. But it wasn't always that way. In fact, I started making my very first swimmable mermaid tail while still being afraid of water. Big mistake. I fully overcame my fear of water in 2019 and it has honestly changed my life. I got help from friends and so I thought today it is my turn to try and help some of you guys. And of course, before we start, a quick disclaimer. I am not a psychiatrist, mental health expert or anything like this, and today I'm going to be talking all about my personal experiences. But if you'd like to hear from an expert, I will link a video down below from a sports psychologist talking about this topic and things that you can do to help you out. Let's get to the tips. Number 1, find a friend. Everything's easier with a friend, and especially if your friend is experienced in what you're trying to learn or achieve. If you didn't grow up around water, it can be very intimidating, but having a friend with you who understands your fear can be very helpful. Number 2, start small. Familiarize yourself with water. Try pouring some into a bowl and playing with it. Wash your face or splash your face with water. If you have the opportunity, try to take a bath. I know it might be scary, so start with whatever feels comfortable to you. Baby steps are very important, so take your time and get to know your soon-to-be friend. That is water. When I started, I went to the pool with a friend and only played in the shallow end. Later, when I got more confident, I would do half of the length of the pool, which was still the shallow end, so the part where I can stand up. I also got more confident with doing a little bit of swimming, so I would do half of the length of a pool of swimming, there and back. And then I moved on to doing the full length, but only one time per session. You see, you need to build up your skills and how comfortable you are with things. So remember, baby steps. Number 3, breathe. Learning the proper breathing technique is crucial if you want to get comfortable in water and eventually learn to swim. Remember to relax, as any kind of stress will only create more CO2 and use up more oxygen, causing you to feel even more uncomfortable. I know, it's easy to say, just relax. But something I used to do is distract my brain, focus on breathing, or even think of something completely different. What I used to do is sing nursery rhymes in my head. There's this one that I like, red and yellow and pink and green. I would swim and I would go, red and very slowly sing the nursery rhyme in my head, because I would be like, ooh, different colors and we're chilling. This is also something that later helped me out with free diving training. Number 4, keep going. Facing your fear is going to be uncomfortable, maybe even not fun, but try to stay positive and keep trying. Give yourself rewards for every small step forward. Splash your face with water? Great! Have a cookie. You want to start associating water with positive things. Think about how cute dolphins are. How cool would it be to meet a dolphin one day? Practice makes perfect, and we fear the things that we don't know. So I believe you can get over your fear of water and eventually even learn to swim. You might even enjoy it one day. And once you do, come back to my channel and learn how to open your eyes underwater or how to make your own mermaid tail. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what other tips you might have or your story with fear of water. See you in the next one. Bye!